What is fault, and how is it going to impact my auto injury case? Attorney Thomas Nicholl explains that the easiest way to understand fault, although it is not always the case, is whether or not you received the ticket. This may not be the end of it, but it is a pretty good guide in that the investigating police officer's opinion is that it is more likely than not that you were at fault. Sometimes it is not known who is at fault. One person says the light was green, while the other person says the light was red. Sometimes there are witnesses, and sometimes there are cameras, but sometimes there are not. There are some parts of your insurance which do not care whether you were at fault or not. For the parts that do care whether you were at fault or not, then it becomes the question of how much you were at fault. If it is a he said the light was red and she said the light was green scenario, the fault may be apportioned 50-50. Whatever settlement you get might be reduced by 50%. But even if it is more than 50%, even if you were 70 or 80% at fault, you can still collect 20 or 30% of whatever settlement is arrived at. Choosing the right attorney for your case is very important. Orlando attorney Thomas Nicholl will devote the time you need to win your case. Don't wait. Call Thomas Nicholl now for your free personal injury consultation.